na sa subtraction of polynomial, we must know the different rules sa ano natin. Okay. So, for example, we have negative 7x and we will subtract it by a value of negative 2x. Okay. They're the same variable. Okay. With x and x. Okay. But, if we have this type of like e minus negative b, these two negative sign will cancel. So, it will become a plus b. So, if we have negative 7x, meaning, itong dalawa na to is magka-cancel. Okay. So, we will have negative 7x again plus 2x. Okay. So, we will have negative 5x. So, if we have 5x minus 7x. Okay. So, this basic. Okay. Pag minus lang natin 7 and 5. 2. Okay. Since mas malaki si 7, ay nasa second term siya. So, explain. And since mas malaki si 7, and nasa second term siya, meaning magiging negative 2. Ito. But if ganito ang scenario, magiging positive 2x to. Since yung mas malaking value is nasa left side na. Okay? Diba? Ang ima-minus natin is negative 5. Kasi kung magbabawas tayo ng negative 7, or magbabawas tayo ng 7 sa 5, for sure na hindi siya magiging positive, magiging negative siya. But if magbabawas tayo ng mas maliit na value sa mas malaking value, may matitira pa na positive value. Okay. So, ganoon lang yung simple rule sa subtracting a number. So, let's try 7x plus 9 minus 3x plus 4. So, same sa ginagawa natin sa addition. I-rate muna natin si 7x plus 9. And then si minus the value of 3x plus 4. Now, naglagay tayo ng parentheses before after the minus sign para ma-distribute natin si minus. Okay? Kasi before tayo kasi dapat ang mapalabas natin is si addition. Okay? So, para mapalabas si addition, kailangan muna natin distribute si negative sign sa lahat ng term under sa second polynomial. In order to, mapalitan natin to into plus. Okay? So, ganyan natin. So, since di-distribute yan, magiging 7x plus 9. So, negative 3x magiging negative 3x. Positive 4 magiging, since di-distribute natin tong negative sign, magiging negative 4. Okay. So, now, pwede natin i-add. Since na-distribute na yung negative sign. So, 7x plus negative 3x is 4x. And 9 plus negative 4 is positive 5. So, this is our set for first example. So, what if we have like this is 6a cubed plus 4a minus 8 minus the value of 7a cubed minus 5a squared plus 3a plus 2. Diba? So, rewrite 6a cubed plus 4a minus 8 minus the value of 7a cubed minus 5a squared. Okay. So, wala na. Hindi na abot yung time. So, yeah. Part 2 na yun. Isa natin yung problem na to. So, what if we have a problem that na ganito. Okay. So, 6p squared minus 4p plus 9 minus the value of 2p squared plus 6p plus 3. Okay. So, suot muna natin si first polynomial. Diba? So, 6p squared minus 4p plus 9 minus the value of 2p squared plus 6p plus 3. Ayan, distribute sa buong term this polynomial. So, magiging okay, 6p squared minus 4p plus 9 plus, okay, magiging plus na to, negative 2p squared, positive magiging negative 6p, positive 3 magiging negative 3. Okay, so 6p squared plus negative 2p squared magma-minus, so 4p squared. Same sign. Okay, so mag-add tayo. So 4 plus 6, that is 10, and negative sign will yield to negative answer. So different sign magsa-subtract. So 9 minus 3, that is 6. Okay, mas malaki sa 9, so positive 6. So our answer is 4p squared minus 10p plus 6. Okay, so for our third problem, we have this. Okay, so 6a cubed plus 4a minus 8 minus the value of 7a cubed minus 5a plus 3, 5a squared plus 3a plus 2. Okay, so we have 6a cubed plus, okay, 6a cubed na punta sa 4a. So meaning, may isang term pa dito between 4a, ay between 6a cubed and 4a. Yun yung a squared. So maglalagtaon tayo ng isang term to make space para kay a squared. Okay, so this 0a squared. Kaya na lang, lagay na lang natin, di ba? Since 0a squared is just 0 lang din. But we need a representation of a squared para hindi tayo malito in case na may a squared dito. Kasi kung tutuloy-tuloy natin yan, okay, hindi natin masusubtract si a squared dito. So dapat maglagay tayo ng space. So after a squared, we have 4a na. Minus 8. So minus the value of 7a cubed and c, minus 5a squared. Ayan, si 5a squared. So, hindi natin nilagay ito. Hindi natin malalagay din to. Okay. So, yeah, need yan. Plus 3a plus 2. So, let's answer. Okay. So, distribute again. So, 6a cubed plus 0a squared plus 4a minus 8. Kinapi lang. Okay? Plus. Okay? Since distribute natin, magiging plus. Okay. Positive 7a cubed magiging negative 7a cubed. Negative 5a squared magiging positive 5a squared. Negative ay positive 3a magiging negative 3a. And positive 2 magiging negative 2. Okay. So, different sign, magsasubtract. 7 minus 6, that is 1. Since mas malaki sa 7, magiging negative 1a squared. Okay. Plus, okay, since same sign, 5 plus 0, that is 5a squared. Different sign, mag-minus, 4 minus 3, that is 1. Since mas malaki si 4, magiging positive 1a. And same sign, negative 8 plus negative 2 magiging negative 10. So our final answer is negative a 1 negative 1a cubed, or just negative a cubed, plus 5a squared plus 1a, or plus a minus 10. So these are, these are answer.